आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
हो जो सोमनाथ फार्मर क्लब जाल्लो आसा तो आमच्या खूब फायद्या पडटलो अशें म्हाका दिसता. कित्याक आमी एकटे शेतकरी वचून त्यो सगल्यो माहिती घेवपाक शकनाशिल्ले. पूण आज हो जो क्लब आसा आनी हे भुरगे जे बरे उमेदीचे आसा ते त्यो सगळी स्किमी हाडपाक करतात. आनी आज जो तेणी हो प्रोग्राम जो घडोवन हाडला तो जास्तीत जास्त सगळे शेतकऱ्यां भितर घेवन प्रत्येकाक आनी शिवाय प्रत्येक जो बरो शेतकरी आसा प्रगतीशील शेतकरी आसा तांचो सत्कारय घडोवन हाडला. पण हांव सत्कारा पेक्षा हें म्हणटा की हेन फुडें आमकां ह्या क्लबा मार्फत आज गोवोरमेंटान ज्यो खूब स्किमी ज्यो डिक्लेअर केल्या त्यो आमकां मेळना, पण हेज्या क्लबा मार्फत आमकां त्यो मेळटल्यो.
गोंयांत भायले लोक इतले येता सद्या कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक लागून, ताका लागून डिटेक्शन ऑफ मलेरिया गोंयांत जरी कमी आसलो भायल्या लोकांच्या मलेरियाचे केसीस खूब मेळटा. सो ह्या खातीर 5000 किट्स आमी ह्या म्हयन्यात डिस्ट्रिब्यूट केल्या आनी ताच्या फाटल्यान आमची कंपनी आसा जिनोमिक्स मॉलिक्युलर डायग्नोस्टिक प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हैदराबाद, मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड बाय अ सायंटिस्ट हिमसेल्फ डॉक्टर गिरी. ही इज बेस्ड इन युनायटेड स्टेट्स.
दहा-15 वर्सांनी इलिगल प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जाले म्युनिसिपालिटीकडे. तुमच्याकडे कितली कौशल आसा पळय 90% दवरना. सेवेज सिस्टम घाण आनी दर फावटी 2,000 रुपया दिवपाचे म्हटल्यार कितें भाड्याक येता फ्लॅट 20-22 वर्कर रावता. तळेली ट्रेन भाड्याक येता फ्लॅट गुदांव मेळना म्हणून गुदांव करतात. विथ एविडन्स दिले तुमची इन्स्ट्रक्शन आसा. वॉट एक्शन यू हॅव टेकन?
आय लीग सर्ती खातीर स्वतंत्र अशी व्यवस्था करची ह्या फुटबॉल क्लबांच्या मागणीक अखिल भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघान कांयच प्रतिसाद दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान क्लबवाले सामके बेजारल्यात. सध्या ज्या पद्दतीन ही सर्त चलता ते पळयल्यार तातूंतल्यान कांयच येणावळ येना आनी दानधर्मूय जायना अशें धेंपोचो चेअरमॅन श्रीनिवास धेंपो म्हणटा. ह्या प्रस्नाचेर अखिल भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघान जाता तितलो बेगीन उपाय काडचो अशें धेंप्यान मागला.
As the Indian Professional Football Clubs Association, we were just asked to wait. That there is going to be a proposal worked, and I've got to know that they are working on some proposal, but they are yet to come back to us officially.
How long is Mr. Denko ready to wait? How long is the wait going to be?
We will keep on. I mean, you know, one is, as I had said, that we will give it this year to sort of maintain the budgets. Otherwise, we seriously have to have a hard look, because what's the fun in running a football team in this manner? Now, I have two things to look forward to. One is, of course, the deal with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. If that goes through, then I believe it will put us on a different footing and on a different plank. Then we are much more hopeful of getting sponsorships tied up. We are much more of getting better responses to our team, which probably would give us better finances to operate on. Leave that aside. The other factor is, of course, Mr. Khan has also said that this game has to be sustainable and economically feasible. I mean, he has the same views like I do. And he may do his role, but if the AIFF doesn't do their role, then it's a one-sided game. You know, so equally and simultaneously, AIFF has to move and make this game more progressive and make it more lucrative for the investors. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very difficult. And to answer your question, I don't have a definite timeline, but patience is running out. What justification do we give for a game? If you want to do charity, there are much better projects. In 50 lakhs, if I could make my Goodwill Ambassador scheme successful, I can spend another 50 lakhs and incorporate many more goals. So, you know, where there's a will to spend, you should spend the money in a much better way. I'm not saying that we are not willing to invest. We are willing to invest, but with a caveat that you please show us the returns. Because this is a money where you are spending not for your personal ego, but for wealth to generate or for goodwill to generate. I think in both the counts, it is not justified.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.